Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my little sweetheart Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the cabbage patch stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 155 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to start the sequence of this row. Skip 3 chains into the next one, make 4 double crochet all into the same chain. And that's our sequence. Skip 3 chains, work 4 double crochet into the next one. Skip 3 chains, work 4 double crochet into the next one. So you can see how the sequence of this row is looking. You're going to continue to skip 3 chains and then work 4 double crochet all into the next chain together until you reach the end of this row. When you make it to the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain into this last chain of your row, make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. So we're going to skip over our first stitch. We're going to be working into these previous 4 double crochet. You're going to make a double crochet into the 3rd double crochet of this previous 4. So 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 chains. You're then going to make a double crochet over this one you had just made into the stitch to the right. So it's going to be that second one out of these 4. So we worked that double crochet into that 3rd one, made 2 chains. We're going to work a double crochet into the second one over this double crochet we had just made. And that's how everything is looking so far. Now you're going to start repeating this. You're going to skip to your next set of 4 double crochet. Into that 3rd one, make a double crochet. Chain 2, then make a double crochet into that second one over that double crochet you had just made. So it's going to be this stitch right here. Same thing, skip to the next set of 4 double crochet into the 3rd one, make a double crochet. Chain 2. Then make a double crochet into that second one of those previous 4. So now you can see how this sequence is looking. You're going to continue this all the way to the end of this row. You're going to skip to your next previous set of 4 double crochet into the 3rd one, make a double crochet, chain 2, then make a double crochet over that double crochet you had just made into that second double crochet of the previous 4. You're going to now start repeating this until you reach the last stitch in this row. When you make it to the end of your row and you only have a stitch and some chains left, you're going to skip that last stitch into the top of these chains at the end of your row. You're going to make a double crochet by itself to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. So row 3 is going to be similar to row 1. We need to establish our sets of 4 double crochet. So you're going to skip to this next chain space and make 4 double crochet into that chain space. Then you're going to start repeating that. Skip to the next chain space, make 4 double crochet into that space. Skip to the next chain space, work 4 double crochet into that space. So this is how things are looking. You would now repeat this sequence, skip to the next chain space in your row and make 4 double crochet into that chain space. You're going to repeat this until you reach the last chains in this row. So when you get to the end of your row and you only have some chains left, you're going to make a double crochet into those last chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 80 rows total for a throw-sized blanket. And that is going to be how to make my little sweetheart Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.